ka Bethany Society lingbau Karmo Noran House Secretary kalpen scam ya jing dawa ka 100% ka bha thungkam na ka jing penbet thamai ya ka state reservation policy na ka banta ki break badan jing duna khotmat habakran sigilat pathai khubor hadien ka jingwan ka jing yalang sngapaj ba ka khot penlong da ka expert committee ha ka light rek risau arja arpusa u Karmo Noran House ulong ya ki break badan jing duna khotmat deiban pensisha kat kum ki kendon an bat ka kerdan jing poli jongki Ulaban juru baka committee kan board kat kum kamigilaya state policy for empowerment of persons with disability act.
The points that we were raising was that the state reservation policy must also be in line with the Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016 and also the Meghalaya State Policy for Empowerment of Persons with Disability. Both the policy and the law ensure that there is 4% reservation in all government jobs for persons with disability. So our submission was that irrespective of what is the state policy cannot neglect the 4% reservation, because at the moment the 4% reservation, the government is trying to follow it, but it's really not being followed. And we feel that it should be there at the district level for all persons with disability as per the law and as per their qualifications. And the posts for the various cadres, for the various right across the government must be identified, and the reservation must be followed. And it must, first of all, the 4% reservation, there should be evidence that that is being followed before recruiting other people. So that was our main contention. Officially, as per the census, because that's what people go by, officially it's about 2.1%, okay? But we believe that it is much more than that, because the identification, especially of people with, say, intellectual impairment, neurodiversity. So all these have really not been properly identified. As per, if you go by international figures and so on, it could be between 8 to 10%. But the government is going by the census figures, which is 2.1%. So that again is a challenge. The actual proper identification of persons with disabilities. We just suggested one major point. Please follow the Meghalaya State Policy for Empowerment of Persons with Disability and the RPD Act, because both of them say that 4% reservation of jobs will be there for persons with disability. Benchmark disabilities, 1% for the visually impaired, 1 for hearing impaired, 1 for locomotor, and 1 for all the others. That must be followed, and that it should be transparent, so at the moment we don't have any idea of how many persons with disability are actually employed, and in what categories. So that's very important. So we raise those points.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong. Ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jambaro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kirashon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba ukhaw iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukhaw plus F, ukhaw fortified.
Ukhaw 45? Henry ba ukhaw 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukhaw ba ai barabor umde ubabha.
Kong kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bom tei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ila ban yo ya ka jingpang dunas nam mat ka jing bria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukhaw 45 udan jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ka jing tei ya ka met ka phat ka jongi nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jungkine ngen ngat hagi babun ki jajingpa ka sarkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha ba ukhaw ata kamlu kadot bat ke knyang bam ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet knang ba ha ka shisngi ngila ban yo laipo hadu sanpo percent kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet bat lai kerteng ya ki 45 ila ban itu ya ki da ka sharp plus f aki
ba uni ujing bam plus f pat ngila ban yo ne
nang ni kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kala penmi ya ki skim ICDS MDM PDS kabha na ka benta upaj ba ka sarkar mi kala mangker pang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba ki lapha da ukhau ba bhatam na ka benta ki khna bat ki long kimi ki ba armen dei na ka ta ka daw batang da uni ujaj khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro ki long yeng nang ni shakman tang da ukhau 45
ba fikrannya ka jing shisha
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya